Yeah.
Alright, my name's Aiden. Today we're going to make a grilled cheese. I'll start off with listing our ingredients. Butter for the bread before you put it in the pan. And then we got 2 slices of cheese and a loaf of white bread. And then we have our cutting board for buttering the bread. And then we will use this pan and the stove.
Hi guys, so our second step is going to be putting some butter on the outside of our bread. So first we have to take our bread out of the package and of course take the right slices. So this is a new loaf, so you have to open it up first. And of course we don't want the edge pieces, so we're going to take some nice fluffy pieces from the middle. Need a knife. Our butter. Take some butter on our knife here and just put on the outside of the bread, so when we put it in the pan it'll get nice and crispy. That's one piece. And there we go. That's our second piece.
Step 3 will be turning the oven on and putting our bread slices on, along with spraying it down. You're going to want to make sure the butter side is down, so that way it's touching the face of the pan. And then you're going to want to open up your cheese packets and put them up.
Next, we're going to put some cheese on the bread. So we're going to go over here and get our wrapped cheese and just unwrap it. And bring it back to the bread and put it on the bread. And do that with our next slice too. Making sure to cover the entirety of the bottom part of the bread. Then we're just going to put the top slice with the butter side out and put it on top to create our sandwich.
Alright, so before we flip it, we have to wait for the cheese to melt. So the top piece of the bread and the bottom piece of the bread will lodge together. Otherwise, if you flip it, they will fall apart very easily.
Alright, for our next step we're going to cover the grilled cheese so our cheese melts a little faster.
Our next step is going to be to flip the grilled cheese to make sure it's brown and toasted on both sides of the bread. So we're just going to take the top off, use our spatula, and just get under it and flip it over.
So now we're going to let it sit for about 2 minutes so that both sides cook evenly.
Now that it's done, we're just going to turn the stove off. So we're going to take our dial and twist it till it says off. And then we can plate our grilled cheese. So we'll go over to the cabinet and get our plate. And then take the spatula, put it under the edge, and just flip it onto the plate.
Alright, so now that we have our grilled cheese plated, we're going to cut it and right down the middle. You can see the cheese is fully melted all the way through, which looks like a perfect grilled cheese.
Alright, now we're gonna enjoy our homemade grilled cheese.
Hi guys, I'm Justin.
I'm Maddie,
I'm Kate.
I'm Robbie.
I'm Aiden.
and today we showed you how to make a grilled cheese.
We hope that you follow this tutorial at home and that you enjoy your grilled cheese.
Thanks for watching.